this is just love this shit. OxyClean smells the best. My next live, I will get a bigger ring light because this one's just not doing its justice. But oh my god, that smells so good. Yes. And tray, so we have a tray pour when that comes out. Sizzles. Sizzles. Fantastic. Oh! Milk. Literally milk. Oh my god, it smells so good. I was like, there's no way that there's other people like this. Because I'm gonna add some Brillo into this as well. I love stain remover. Do not even play with me. Now I do use this spoon. Good. This is so fluffy. It's like a cloud. Oh my god, it looks like shaving. Oh, look at that fluff. Well, that one was kind of sucky, but let me get more water in there. Oh, and by the way, I will catch up to your comments. My head's just in the washer at the moment. But I do get my sponges. Cream in here. Ooh, it looks nice coming out. Nice and milky. Dude, I really fuck with that. I really like how fluffy this one is. God, that powder bleach is so good. I'm gonna dump some on this sponge too because I love how gritty this stuff is as well. Automatically, I'm getting it. Like, no joke. Ooh, got a little bit of a paste going on. It's really gritty. I do not care. Oh my god, it is literally like shaving cream. And it's weird. I'm gonna do extra today. I haven't done extra in a good minute. Bags anywhere. I'm gonna tell you what my favorite detergent is. I switched, so I be buying the freaking extra up and you guys are doing me dirty like this. Because I remember my mom always using Tide. Yes, I am one of them girls. But I did it when I was a kid, like, and I remember it was Tide, dedicated to Tide. Do this. Ooh, that would not want people going out and eating. Bitches that say that they want to eat it. It is the best thing in the world to me. Especially when the really. Yes. I like folding them too because then I just stick my face in it. Okay. Let's see if I can get it to react because I ate through the powder. Oh my god. I'm not. Ooh, this is like gritty and runny. Some of this on the top. I always get like incredible Bleach suds. I thought I would do a little bit more, but oh, this smells so good. I just literally spend my days in my laundry room. I'm either doing nails or I'm spending in laundry. And my kids, they're really crazy about it. I'm fucking leaving. Yeah, I do love the clothes squeezes too. I don't know, I just really like being like hands-on in it. Like, I don't know, just watching laundry. No, I need to feel it. Then I love how like my hands smell so incredible for like hours. Especially after bleach. I literally will sit there and smell my hands. Which, I do have exciting news. I forgot to say. Which, I'm going to make a post about it. So, I run a candle business. Also, as well. I have a website and everything. And I just got... I'll start posting some of my candles to show you guys. But I just got Gain. And it is legit. I'm not even kidding you guys. It smells straight out of a Gain bottle. And I'm going to make the Gain candles. So when I get them made, I'm going to make them in candles and wax melts. I will, if any of you guys want to, like, be my testers, I would love to send you some and see, like, what you think. And they also have a Tide one. So I'm going to order the Tide and make that as well. But yes, I'm so fucking excited. It smells so good.